Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Yes, Money. This is Neil. Today I'm going to introduce and set up Bitaxe Gamma 601 solo miners. This is a compact, open source Bitcoin solo miner that's designed for home use learn Bitcoin mining. In this video, I will show you what's easy and how to set up step by step, from power on to actually Bitcoin mining. Bitaxe Gamma 601 has a hash rate of 1.2 Thorus and a power of 18 watts. Although the chance of finding the block is very low, just like its other name, lottery miner. But Bitaxe is popular because it's open source, low power, quiet, and perfect for newcomers interested in Bitcoin mining. As you can see, 601 is much smaller than any traditional Bitcoin miner. Here you have the cooling fan, the open PCB design, and the power input. The open design is intentional. It allows you to see and understand every part of the mining process. Now let's move on to the actual setup. First, I connect the power supply and turn the miner on. You can see the fan starting to spin. Next, I connect the miner to the network. After connection, the Bitaxe webpage will appear in your browser. Then we select Wi-Fi and enter the password. Click Save and then restart. The Bitaxe screen will display connected and the device IP. You can also see the hash rate, power consumption, and chip temperature on this screen. We enter the device IP on our computer or mobile phone to access the dashboard. This shows hash rate, temperature, and system status in real time. The hash rate starts to rise to around 1.2 terahash. For the mining pool, you can use public pool first. Now I enter my Bitcoin wallet address and solo mining pool. After saving the settings and restart the miner, then your 601 setup is now complete. This can also be done on your phone. Please make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. If you're interested in the Bitaxe Gamma 601 solo miner or other home mining hardware, you can check the product link below or visit our website. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly. We're always happy to help. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.